Guys, it's Music Vibe 91. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a catfish rig. Alright, you want to take your line, alright, line off your fishing pole. Take you about a foot, maybe a little over a foot because you have to tie it in there, okay? About like that. Set it to the side, alright. Alright, you want to grab your line, alright, take your egg weight. How heavy your weight is preference. I usually use a half ounce, maybe a little more. Alright, then you take this little clasp right here, I don't know if you can see it. It's got holes on both sides. Alright. Put that on the line and you put your weight freely on there, as you can see right there. Alright, and you tie this the same way you do a hook. For those of y'all who don't know, you twist it about 7 or 8 times. It's kind of preference, the more the better probably. Alright, you take it, place it through the hoop at the bottom, alright, and then run it back through the other one that you just made. Pull tight and make sure the knot is tight down on the thing there. And you clip it, and you can put a bead here if you like for the weight, to stop the weight from hitting the knot, but I'm not going to do that. You're welcome to. Then you take your leader, put it on there and do the same thing. Same thing, make sure the knot's down on top. Alright. You should have something looking like this with your leader here. And hook is preference. They say treble hooks are most common for catfish because it turns and sets in their mouth when they turn. But I've come to like these. I'm not sure the exact name of them. They got a slight curve to them. But these are also for catfish because they set themselves. So you don't have to necessarily worry about popping it back or setting the hook. Same thing, and clip it. And then you have the slip sinker rig. And the purpose of this is so when it sits on the bottom, like so, and your line is tight, get a little slack, it's able to slide without anything. And then when your line is tight, your leader still has slack, because if catfish feel any pressure, they'll just spit it out or they won't mess with it. So there you go, that's the slip sinker rig. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and once again, thanks for watching.